All right, for this tutorial, we are going to be going over how to split and how to combine bodies within Fusion 360. Now, I'm going to assume that you have either watched my other video on how to convert a mesh or an STL file into a body that Fusion 360 can edit, and we can actually do this process here easily. So if you haven't, I will go ahead and link that video in the description. And let's just dive right in. We'll get started. First off, what we're going to do is we want to remove this little T section from the top of the rest of this body. So the tool that we're going to use is, I have it right here, it is the split body tool. So we'll bring that up. So first we select the body we want to split. Click that. Now here's the cool thing. We can select faces as the splitting tool. So obviously we want to cut this off, so what we'll do is we will select this face right here. We will extend the splitting tool, and as you can see right here, it is going to cut it right at the base there. So all you have to do is just hit OK, and we now have a separate body for that. So what we are wanting to do is attach this now to this. So let's start off, we'll just turn this 90 degrees, 90, move it back. All right, so what we can do here, let me think of what our fastest way. Actually, first off, these are different thicknesses. Well, that's interesting. Okay, so let's do this here. Let's draw a line directly in the middle of this, vertically. And then the exact same thing, this guy right over here, right in the middle, vertically there. Okay. So what we will do is we'll select this body to move. And we're actually going to go select this option right here, which is from a point and to a point. So that first point, we can make it here. And then we'll go over here, and we'll have it line up to the bottom of this, and that is that. Now, we will just hit enter. Okay, so obviously these are still two separate bodies, and in fact, we might want to just extrude this guy up, but if you don't want to do that, or you don't need to do that, all you have to do is now go to this combine tool again. I have this up here, it is just combine. You select the bodies that you want to combine together. There's the one, there's the other. You can select different functions, join, cut, or intersect. You can also have it keep the tool. So if we wanted to keep this still as a separate body, it would combine these together and then keep this. We don't need to do that in this situation. And then all we have to do, hit OK. Those bodies are now one. All right, that is the end. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments, and I will be happy to answer them. If you have any other things that you would like to learn about Fusion 360, please also write them in the comments, and I will follow up and make more videos for you guys. All right, thanks. Have a great rest of your day.